utilized. I am not doubting anyone. The only thing is that how it is being utilized. Whatever can we are contributing. We are all running our houses, we are running our business. हमें पता है कि पैसा कितना आया, कितना गया और कहाँ गया. Probably that sort of thing which we need to have in our society also. Whatever we are contributing, we should know where that money is being utilized. And whatever Abhinay ji was talking about, how it has to be prudentially managed. What are the priorities? How the budgeting will be done? How the things will be managed? It is all, we can talk about lot many things. We can talk about this, that, but everything requires money. As being rightly pointed out by Chibbar Sahab, from where the money will come, and if the money is there, why it is not being utilized till now? Then in that case, so we should have crores of the funds in our hand. Where is that fund? Now it is something that we are contributing, we are paying in advance. Every month we are paying in advance. But here, I don't know how many people may be knowing where that money is. अगर इतने सारे पैसे होते तो अब तक तो we would have been the best society of Noida. We are such a big society. We are having 3,000 flats over here. So these all inspired me. In fact, there are certain friends of mine who pushed me up that you should come up, understand that. So I am confident enough that this is not a big deal for a chartered accountant who is already dealing with lot of funds. 2 crores per month means 24 crores or 30 crores, not a big deal. But I would request humbly with all of you, kindly bring candidates who can have a, because
छोटा सा बंदा हूँ मैं बैठ जाऊँगा यहीं.
I am raising this point only because we have seen in earlier AOS that people who have came up, we have seen a chartered accountant who has earlier fought for. But probably I don't know, whatever may be the reason, I don't know, because insights the people who are there in the AOA must be knowing. But the team should be such that they should have a cohesiveness, correlation, and we should all work towards the welfare of the society. We are agents over here. There is no commercial interest involved for any one of us. So that is the only agenda through which I am coming. I don't have much to speak about. This is the short thing. I have already circulated a short banner in which I have written specific 5 points only. I think if I am able to do those 5, my thing will be served. So that is the only agenda. Thank you very much. Anything if someone would like to ask.
Any question?
You are a chartered accountant.
Yes,
right?
sir.
I think the biggest challenge that we have in our society is people having trust on you. I'm not saying anybody is doing anything wrong or anything like that. I'm not hinting towards that. But since you are already a chartered accountant, and it's not that books of accounts were not published earlier, right? But still people don't have that trust, right? So how do you bring that perspective, right? When you are, and I'm sure that is one thing which is going to fall on your shoulders if you are elected. How will you bring that trust? What kind of visibility?
I was asking the people who pushed me to stand up. I have asked this question to them as well. Ki bhaiya, you are bringing me, but how if other people are not like-minded or they will not allow me to work? How will I work? So that is up to you to decide. I am not the only person who can work independently. It is a group of 9 people.
So that is one aspect. I understand that.
That aspect has to be taken care of.
That's an important
For
aspect.
me, I can ensure that whatever is the expertise required, that is already there.
So I'm not,
Transparently shared with everyone.
That I have already
Maybe that's
said.
important.
yeah, I mean,
Maybe some
see,
sort of a
In
budgeting
fact, the
beforehand.
question which you are raising has pushed me to stand over here.
because
In fact, if that trust would have been there, then I may not be talking about this. I am already talking about this because that trust probably is not there. So that is what I am talking
So
about.
apart from the standard books of account which is published, what will be different? I'm just saying, right? Because I think
Even if that is being done, we will be sorted out. Even if that standard things are being done, what is there was 2 करोड़ रुपए आते हैं, उसमें क्या जाता है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाती है? नहीं, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट, इट्स सो सिंपल. 2 करोड़ रुपए में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का मेजर खर्चा है हमारे यहाँ हाउसकीपिंग का खर्चा है, हमारे यहाँ सिक्योरिटी का खर्चा है, हमारे यहाँ डीजल का खर्चा है.
well, I'll put
Ji.
put the perspective in a different way. Say, so who's going to ask the common sense question? Okay, and this is just an example, that if a manure costs 100 rupees per kg, but is it and we are actually paying 500 rupees per kg, and it is cleared, right? So who's going to ask that common sense question, right? I mean, if I look at books of accounts, yeah, that will get consolidated, X number of lakhs of rupees, spent on this head, right? But really, the trust in this trust that has to be built in all those small things. Who's going to ask those questions? This does not look right. You get my point? What I'm trying to say. I think that's where the trust has to be built, I think. Yeah.
Again, I would like that it is the residents who has to ask those questions. And they can ask those questions only when it is being transparently being shown that is the expense being done. As of now, though, that expense is not being known. So that is what I am saying.
You get where I'm going, right?
I understand. I am also having the same option, same sort of thing in my mind, and that is what I have started with. That we as agents should know that what is the inflow. We are not a profit-making society. What is the inflow and what is the outflow? I think if that is being known, rest of the answers will be automatically be answered.
Next question.
Is there some sort of a process that we can sort of establish where the budgeting is done beforehand, a fixed amount, उसके ऊपर का जो भी खर्चा होगा, we get the approval in some way, and this sort of a monitoring, because I think it's all about trust. It's not about you. अगर आपके पास 500 का बिल आएगा तो आप 500 का ही पास करोगे देख दाख कर, but अगर किसी ने 100 का बिल का 500 बनाया तो that I think that has to be the entire cohesive team that has to work. I don't think you can be accountable for that. What I would suggest is maybe a sort of a budget for a quarter, the way we do it. Otherwise, so would that be a good idea to share with the residents before we start off with some big expenditure? जैसे अभिनय ने बोला कि infrastructure में ये करना. Supposing both of you there in the team and you're working. He thinks it's a priority, you think it's not a priority. There's something else which is a priority. So how would you sort of come to a proper solution which is in the interest of the society?
So, madam, in that case, we'll have to go to the rule book. What is the different level of authorities which are giving to the AOA? Suppose it's an expenditure of 5,000, 10,000. Probably a single signatory is there. 1 lakh, 2 signatories are there. 5 lakhs. Then after that, it has to go to the GBM for the approval. So that should be the structure which should come up, which I have already circulated. So that is in any case has to come to the board, and then it has to come to the GBM.
The way that you can probably talk about a quarter का expenditure पहले से कि हम इस बार ये करेंगे and जैसे लोग के plan है team का, the entire 9 लोगों का जो plan है उसके हिसाब से can you probably share with the people, and maybe the rest of us think that ये वाला खर्चा AOA आप नहीं 8 लोग गलत कर रहे हैं, हम लोग can we voice and say that, would that be a right thing to do?
For sure, madam. See, I have already talked about budgeting. Budgeting is that budgeting only which you are talking about. So budget in any case I was talking about is not a very tough job over here, because most of the expenditure are almost fixed. So we can well know that what is the incoming and what is the outflow. So that can very well be done. That's not an issue, I believe. Very easy to do.
Have you done a study of the previous AOA का जो उनके balance sheet, monthly expenditure, what have you done the study so far?
So I started where my role came into LB is that I started when we shifted in tower phase 3. From all of the society till phase 3 till tower 16, CAM has been charged 1.99. But for phase 3 it was 2.49. So that was the point from where I got involved. We audited the books of the builder, and then we went back to the builder that why phase 3 people are being charged 2.49. What is the reason for that? Because you have sufficient funds in your account. And by that, I am glad to share that CAM has been reduced to 1.99. So that is from where I am coming to that. From where I started with, then I went back, because in any case you being a professional, you have certain commitment. Then I have been roped in for audit of AOA1. From there we got to know that what is the balance sheet, what is the things. And I don't want to disclose certain things over here. That would not look nice. So we don't want to wash our dirty linen. But for sure, For sure, yes, what you are saying, I have already done that.
Thank you so much.
I'm trying to understand. अगर आपने study की होगी तो certain areas where you have find हाँ these are things which they would not have spent properly.
Sir, I would not like to comment on that. That is not the right forum to comment on that. Because whatever, see, it's not a paid job. Let's understand, we are volunteering our services over here. We are putting, my wife she is not talking to me. Khyati, you are already so busy, how will you able to devote your time? So we are all here doing the welfare of the society. There may be certain things which may not happen. It's a evolving society. पहले तो builder was there, हमें तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था. आज हम बात तो कर रहे हैं कम से कम. So we are here to help each other. जो हुआ हो गया, जो नहीं हुआ. आगे क्या करना है, let's think about it. If we keep on talking, उसने क्या किया क्या नहीं किया, वो बेचारे भी घर छोड़ के काम कर रहा है.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि ट्रस्ट जो बना रहे हैं, the problem is the trust. People, how we are spending right now. Suppose that people are saying AO3 नहीं आया, they are using money in horticulture, ये priority set नहीं है. So how to build that trust, that is more important, right?
फोर में भी होगा वो.
नहीं, इसमें भी होगा.
फोर में भी होगा.
So
क्यों होगा?
उसके लिए जो आप process
क्यों होगा? That is where the people start talking about without being aware of the things. That is the thing, people don't want to come here and stand.
Yes.
That is the only thing, people don't want to come and stand. People who are sitting here are all well educated. We have all sort of things where we can do. But why people don't come and stand over here? Why they don't take the leadership? Everyone is leader in their own home, in their own business.
We as residents are over critical of our AOA. Right? That's the problem.
We don't allow people to work. If you are, it is not that they are coming here and sitting there. You are just they are here. You are choosing them. Allow them to work. The trust has to come from the residents.
Yes.
Trust cannot be given by the candidate or the person who is devoting the time. Let's understand. He or she is not being paid for that. Sorry to say, I charge for this time which I am standing here. And that is the only thing which I am selling.
बहुत बढ़िया.
That is the only thing.
आपने ये जो बोला ना